I want to welcome you to the first ever Marketing for Photographers photographic workshop virtual experience. I'm Kevin Michael Schmitz. I'm a celebrity fashion advertising photographer, and I'm going to be working alongside the great Crystal Wright, epic guru who totally understands branding and fashion and marketing for photographers and stylists at the highest level. We're going to go in depth to work personally with you to develop your photographic marketing strategy. Whether you're a consumer photographer shooting portraits, whether you're shooting weddings, commercial photography, shooting ad campaigns, fashion and editorial photography, even fine art, product photography, industrial, no matter what type of photography you're in, the Marketing for Photography workshop is designed specifically to take you to the next level of your photographic potential. I can't explain to you how important it is to really maximize your marketing strategy. And we are going to work personally with you during the 6-hour intensive photographic workshop on June 27th, 2020, to take your photographic strategy session to a whole new level. We're going to work with you to design a marketing campaign that you can implement to take you to a point in which you have all the top clients that you want, to get you to the point, if you implement it, to be able to charge more for your photography, make more per year, and book the kind of shoots that you want to make.